Two-stage rockets are so much fun, and they're way complex. They are so much harder, so much more complex, so much harder to launch than even a big motor. So here we go. Justin, good luck. Flying in 5. This is on pad 85, by the way. Justin, we're flying your rocket in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That was the easy part. Here's the hard part, and there it goes. Nice and straight, both of them. Really well done. Okay, the main is under a chute. I'm sorry, the booster is under.
It's a 2-stage rocket, scratch built, weighs 11 pounds. Got a K535 in the bottom and an I-125 in the top. Got a GPS tracker on board and dual deploy on both stages. That's pretty cool. Good luck, John and Jenny. Pad 77, going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We got one. Set charge. There it is. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Boosters arcing over. 71, going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Got smoke. Oh, it's doing the wiggle and dance. That was beautiful. The name of the rocket is Rodeo. Yippee-ki-yay, cowboy. We can't fly this, Randy. The wind's not blowing hard enough. Okay. Pad 40. Flying on a Loki K960 motor. Randy's rocket's going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It weighs 50 pounds. This has a 16,000 Newton second N as in Nancy 4010 motor in it. It is a blue propellant with a 4-second burn time. Got a perfect flight on board for dual deploy, 1,500 feet back up at 1,100. You ready, Jay?
Yes, sir.
All right, he is ready. We're going to go with Jay Holcomb. Spud on pad 74, N4010. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Got smoke. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, he wins for Throaty Roar of the Day award. That was cool. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
My wife is having trouble. She called me for like 19 seconds.
And on a chute on its way back down. This one's sort of over the crowd, so I'm going to keep an eye on it and make sure we get a main. All right, we're right in Vendor Row. He's got a main coming out, but keep your eyes up on this one, folks, right in the center. Registration, maybe porta potties. Look up, look up. We got a heavy rocket coming down. Oh, and it's sending out flares. Blue Thunder. At 54, he is from Savannah, Georgia. This is the Tim Lear beating Jimbo Jarks. It's got a K2045 VMAX. Yeah, baby. And don't blink. This motor it's discontinued, and it's a shame because it's a lovely motor. I recommend you watch this. If you haven't seen one of these before, it's going to scoot. Pad 54, Crazy Jim, Jimbo Jart, going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bye-bye. Like I said, I think it burns out about 600 feet and it goes to 6,000. It is still going up. He's got a puff right there at Apogee. Beautiful flight, Jim.
The rocket called Sentinel, it's an IPL kit on an I-205. The second rocket belongs to Eric Steinhagen from Plattsburgh, Nebraska, flying an Aerotech Mustang on a 205. So I asked Jonathan, why are you flying way out there on an I motor? And Jonathan said, because it's a 3D rocket and I'm not sure it's going to stay together. So there's a rule here at the pasture, if it scares the flyer, it scares me. So I'm calling this a heads-up flight. Everybody get up out of your chairs, keep your eyes on these two rockets. You don't want to get hit by a piece of 3D printed plastic.
Sounds good. Yeah. After this one.
Okay, everybody looks to be up. That's a good thing. Eric and Jonathan, pad 6668, going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're going to do it one more time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
12,887 Newton seconds, VOA propellant. Perfect flight on board for dual deploy, and mains 1,200 feet. Good luck, Elvin. We're going to drink till she's cuter on pad 78 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Your other bud there.
Smoking. Yeah, buddy, that was great. Pad number 62 is selected and armed. The sky and range are clear. Good luck, one. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Got smoke. It does not go any straighter than that. 1. That is incredible. Beautiful. Thank you, Zach. Cool.
J500 propellant type. Reaches were brilliant blue. And Chuck's rocket's going at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh man, that's too easy.
Yeah. Cool. All right. We're still.
This rocket is simmed to go to 35,600 feet. Here we go in Dawn's rocket in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Anti-gravity group. Taylor Jesse, Shane Harris, Matthew Myers, and Braden Carlson. Bunch of crazy young men that do some amazing things. They're from California and Missouri and probably a whole bunch of other places too. They built a double Arcus, a 2X upscale Arcus rocket. In doing this, you end up with a 100-pound rocket.
One.
If you're gonna fly a 100-pound rocket, you gotta have a motor.
That's where all this is. So I think
The double Arcus is gonna fly with an N2000, 4 J275s, and 4 J350, so a total of 9 motors. It's coming out of Buster, our big tower that's out there at the 80s pad on the horizon. The main will come out at 1,500 feet. You guys ready?
1,500 feet before I
Yes.
deploy.
Yeah.
Here we go. The anti-gravity group. Doing it again. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Remember, that was 100 pounds.
It's still going.
Yeah. Oh, it deployed one of the stages right there. Yeah, there it is.
I'm surprised it hasn't.
Oh my god.
See it? Two parachutes on the bottom and one on the top.
Yeah.
Got an eye on it, Brady.
Yeah, these parachutes are probably
Nice! Hey!
nice.
So, we're going to put Mark's rocket up. There's a note here, 10,000 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, me too. There it is.
Yeah. That was a good one.
Right.
4, 3, 2, 1. I get it.
Is it gonna like
We got it, we're coming.
I'm scared for a couple of those. Maybe it's farther
Not your wimpy red propellant. Sharon's rocket's going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What pad do you want?
I can follow it until the smoke goes away.
Sorry man, that's just too much fun, right? Pad 56, Jonathan Gabriel and Lisa Gabriel are flying. They're from Westport, Massachusetts. They're flying their Punisher 3, the Wildman kit, on an L1000. Timber deployment 600 feet. Jonathan's rocket's going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You're playing my game now, Sharon. Look at that.
Mark Ryan from Topeka, Kansas got a rocket called Ukrainian Nightmare. Scratch-built rocket flying on a Loki 930 white motor. Mark's rocket's going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Anytime now. Now would be good. Too late. We're all gonna die. There it is! No shoot! No! On impact!
So Wildman 4-inch kit 2 shade. I think it's actually one of the Argonia cut on an M1780, staging to an M685. And this is projected to go to 31,200 feet. And there's rockets going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Rocket's called Polly. It's got an M1500 in it. This is an albino assault 6000 load. It's got 2 altimeters, dual deployed 800 feet. Good luck, Chuck. Pad 76. The range is clear and the sky is clear. We're going to go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very nice flight. If you have not seen one of these fly, definitely watch this and enjoy it. It is great. This is a full M 10,000 Newton second motor with 5-second burn time, dual deployed 2 altimeters, and made at 800 feet. Pad 63, Preston Noble, going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. It is a scratch-built rocket, weighs 29 pounds. He's got a CTI M2245 IMAX motor on board. This thing should scoot. It's got onboard video, radio tracker, dual deploy. It's got a streamer for a drone. Cool. Pad 65 is selected and armed. The range and sky are clear. We're going to launch Williams' Project X. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Section of the vehicle, there are going to be parts coming down as you weigh RSO. Keep your eyes up. There's a streamer and some blinky stuff. Yeah. Pins and maybe the upper section. And keep an eye on that booster too. It's going to arc out over into the field. Kansas, this rocket's a White Wolf. It's got an I-280 dark matter in it. It's, let's see, GPS tracker and a John shoot release. Pad 67, gonna launch Jack's rocket in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow, honestly, I like to go.
Nice. So, out on Buster, the very tall pad, out in the away cell, we have a rocket from Fred Taverny. He's from Hackettstown, New Jersey. This rocket is called American Karma. It's scratch built, it weighs 32 pounds. And I'm just going to read you what it says on the flight card. Motors, see attached. Devices, see attached. So let me flip the attachment. This is a 6-stage flight. This is Fred, I think your first one, right, Fred? First 6-stage attempt. He has done 2. You saw him do 2 yesterday. He's done 3, 4, and even 5, but never before 6. This might be a world record, in fact, I think. This is a 6-stage rocket. The motors are all Aerotech. K2050 Super Thunder, second stage, I600 Redline, third stage, I435 Blue Thunder, fourth stage, I366 Redline, fifth stage, I284 White Lightning, sixth and final stage, I195 Blackjack. It's got shoots at apogee for stages 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Stage 6 is dual deploy with a main at 1,000 feet. He's got a stratologger, 3 egg finder GPSs, 3 telemegas, a Blue Raven, a Proton, another stratologger in stage 6 with a big red B GPS and an onboard camera. This rocket is expected to go 13,000 feet. This is going to be high drama, folks. I highly recommend keeping your eyes on this. Pad 80, well, 81 out on Buster. Out in the back, we have the button up here. Fred's got his tracking team ready. He's ready. We're ready. Let's do this. Out on Buster, in the back, Fred Taverni's American Karma, 6-stage flight. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, we got 2 and we got all kinds of deployment events happening up there as the rocket saves itself and returns to Earth.